Looking for a place for your loved ones as they age, or more information about how to help a family member recover after an injury? Well, today we have help. Carolyn Richardson from PACE Guide to Senior Housing and Dr. Hassan Akimbi are here with more. Thank you both so much for being here today.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, we appreciate it. Okay, Carolyn, why don't we start with you? What is post-acute rehab?
So I would say it's that space between hospital and home. An acute rehab is something like a skilled nursing facility. They go for rehab, but an acute inpatient rehab hospital is more intense. And so after an injury or an illness, they can go there for more intense interdisciplinary team approach and with a rehab doctor overseeing their rehab.
Yeah, and doctor, I know you're with Dignity Health, East Valley Rehab Center. Tell me why someone would want to consider a post-acute hospital.
I think anytime you have a loved one or a family member who has sustained an acute illness, a recent disability, or some type of trauma, if they're not quite safe to go home or they're not at their prior level of function, I think they would benefit from transitioning to an acute level.
Now, what about the benefits over this type of rehab versus, a skilled nursing facility or something like that?
I think one of the big things is at the acute rehab level of care, their physician oversight is by a rehab doctor who specializes in rehab medicine. They're also seen by an internal medicine doctor. They're seen by nurses that focus on rehab medicine. They also have 3 hours of therapy daily.
Wow.
And the focus is to get the patient home.
Now, what about qualifying? How do people know if they would qualify, or how would they know if they could qualify for something like this?
Well, it's definitely based on whether or not insurance will approve it. But if the patient can tolerate and benefit from 3 hours of therapy per day, have a medical need, then I think that patient may be ideal for transitioning to that setting.
Yeah, and of course I know PACE can help with that. You can call PACE and they can go over all the different options, which is great. And also, Carolyn, besides acute care and different types of things that you can help us with, you also can help people, of course, with where to live. If someone is looking for a place to live, I know right now you have a PACE sponsor spotlight. It's Hacienda Del Rey. Tell me more about that.
So PACE is spotlighting Hacienda Del Rey. We are proud to announce they are a newest Southwest Valley premier assisted living and memory care community, now an MBK senior living community. 9 homes make this unique community look and feel like a neighborhood, beautifully designed with comfort and family care in mind. Hacienda Del Rey's mission is to provide the utmost care and support to their residents and their families. Their personalized approach to care means listening and getting to know their residents and their loved ones on an individual basis so they can provide a care plan which adds value and purpose to their lives. Specialized programming include their MB Connection wellness programming and their MB Cuisine signature dining experience. Delicious, nutritionally balanced seasonal menus prepared by their in-house executive chef. You can visit their website at www.mbkseniorliving.com for more information, or you can call PACE and we can help connect you with the community.
Yeah, and looking at it, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it really is. Well, we learned so much today, have a lot of different options. Thank you, doctor, so much for being
here.
You. And thank you so much, Carolyn. And of course, if you have any questions about acute care like we talked about, or senior housing, it's very simple. Just contact PACE. You can get a hold of them through the internet, by phone, or in person. For more information, just go to seniorhousing.org or call the number on your screen.